Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
Doug and Jody here at the Waterfront Wreck. Wanted to show you a tour of the bedroom, and we'll show you a little before and after and some during, and just kind of give you a feel for what we've done in the bedroom, what it was, how we did it, why we did it the way we did, etc., etc. So let me flip you around.
What do you think about having this as our bedroom?
I think that's possible. I mean, I think the square footage is fine,
Right.
you know, all things considered. You have 3 doors coming into your bedroom. I'd wall some of that off.
Well, it wouldn't be.
No, I know, we'd wall it off, obviously. And this whole laundry room section would be coming out. But we've got a water wall and a drain there for our bathroom.
Yeah.
So it's like this half would be our...
Yep.
So this bedroom, we're not sure what it was. It could have been originally in the 60s, it could have been a carport, it could have been a patio. We don't really know, but it had a really bad concrete floor, probably the ugliest, most uneven sloped concrete floor ever, that we spent about 60 bags of concrete and leveler to get it prepped for gluing down our hardwoods. We used an engineered hardwood oak slate product that we got a killer deal on for the whole house. And this is there's one stair, so the way this works, and you'll have to excuse the way this floor looks now because this will all be matching hardwoods like this and a nose edge and then step down. This is a piece of oak, a live edge that we had that we decided to just have one stair. We didn't really want to build just a box stair like you normally would. It's really only tall enough for a one stair application. And so we used this piece of live edge oak and did a floating install. So it just kind of looks like it's coming right out of the wall. And we're really happy with that. We got a little bit of touch-up paint to do on the edges. And of course, this will all be through the hallway will be the same hardwood flooring coming off this edge. Maybe we'll start in the closet. What do you think, hon?
Yeah. That's good.
So the closet, what we did is this room is 27 feet by 12, 13 feet. It's about 325 square feet. And we decided to divide it up. This wall here is a little L wall that we created to separate the closet from the master bedroom area. And so if we walk in this way, you'll see.
And we want a good airflow.
Yeah,
we want to open for the.
That's right. This whole bedroom is heated and cooled with this heat pump 18,000 BTU Mr. Cool DIY unit that's outside behind this wall. On the exterior unit, it blows straight through that opening so that it gets into the entire bedroom and the closet. And it being a heat pump, it's AC and heat. So that basically keeps our area in the bedroom nice and comfortable. So coming in this way, we've added some floating shelves here. These are just IKEA floating shelves. Oh, thank you for the light, sweetie.
Yeah.
So these floating shelves we use just for, as you can see, what we put up there. And then we've got floating shelves over here for shoes. And then what we did for hanging rods is we used I think it's 1 1/4 inch pipe, black pipe, and some stanchion bases and some 90-degree elbows. This is all real pipe, and we just painted everything black. This one hangs from the ceiling, screwed into a joist. And then on this side, we wanted kind of that retail look, and so we used some 1 foot long pieces, again with the stanchions to attach them to studs. We just blocked everything up when we were building this wall, and that way we can just have all our stuff hanging up that way. On this particular wall and this wall over here, the window wall, we did cedar, and it's aromatic cedar. We got it at Home Depot, and we really like that. It adds a nice smell out here and also keeps moss and stuff down. So that's what we did for our clothes hangers. On this wall, we just have our safe to keep all of our valuables and whatnot in. Maybe Jody could open up this armoire. This is an armoire we've had, how long, hon? 30 years?
Yeah, 30 years.
And it used to be kind of a red mahogany. We repainted it, wanted to repurpose it. Used to be where we kept our TV years and years ago. I guess we could even say decades ago now.
Yeah.
And we turned this into just clothes storage. And so we're really pleased with the way this came out. It's been a piece we've had for a long time and really enjoyed. So that's the, and there's the mirror. And when we come out this way, and we have a king-size bed in here, so you can see there's plenty of room. We have a reproduction Ames chair here. We're going for that mid-century vibe. And just our artwork, we've got a wall mount headboard. Went oversized on that. Did pendant lights instead of traditional table lamps, so it frees up the space on the end tables. And then this would be our TV wall here. And we got a 75-inch class TV here, 4K, and we don't plan on having a TV in the primary living room area. And so if we want to watch a movie or something, we just watch TV and kind of hang out in bed, or we can sit in the chairs here. And so that's where we watch TV in the house. And this is a table that we've had for several decades. It was white. It had some little black knobs, poles on it, and we re-drilled and painted this and kind of made it match our end tables a little bit with the hardware for a little continuity. These are curtain rods, again, we've had for a very long time, a couple different houses, and painted those and used some curtains that we already had, again trying to save money and use what we had and repurpose things. And Joe, maybe you could open that door just so people can see what's on the other side of this door. This leads out to the patio area, and we still need to level up all these pavers and, you know, put something in between them. That's going to be a future video on how we end up doing that. We're thinking about putting a pergola here. Right now we just have this awning to kind of keep the water off the door and give us a little place to stand if we're coming in this way and it's raining. This is Oregon, so we get plenty of that. There's a couple Adirondack chairs that we had built. So that pretty much sums up our bedroom situation, and we hope you enjoyed the tour of this room. We'll be posting lots of other rooms that we've completed, and of course you can subscribe and watch the rooms that we're working on. Big jobs like the living room and the kitchen. We got concrete counters. We got a bowling alley island we're putting in there. We got all new appliances and cabinets that we'll be doing, all new flooring. So that'll be a project that you could join along and watch us work on that. And but thanks a lot for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video and the tour, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.